Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today, of course, we are going to talk about the price of Bitcoin. So I'm going to talk about why I have entered into a long trade, the targets that I have for that trade, and then the next levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these markets. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, turn the bell notification on so you never miss updates like this, and make sure that you watch the video up until the end because, like I said, I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is happening. So jumping on straight into the charts then, as we can see, I am both long and short on the price of Bitcoin. As you can see, the trades down here. So we do have a short trade open here. I have taken a lot of profit off of this short trade. And this short trade was from up here where we shorted this POC right here. Okay, I also have another short trade open here, which I have taken a lot of profit off of as well. That was the short that I entered into all the way back here at all-time high. So these have been some extremely profitable trades for myself and the team here at Bit Trading, because of course both of these trades were given to the team in the Visionary Discord. If we scroll up, we can see the short trade that I did actually give the team right here. I said I have just taken a short trade. There was the setup that I was looking at. And as of right now, I am actually in a long trade, okay? Because price came down to the range low, which I was in fact looking for, okay? And then I told the team I've taken the long trade. So there was the long trade that I took off of a reclaim of the range low. So as we can see here, we have reclaimed range low and we are now seeing a nice rise towards the upside. And of course, we have been taking full advantage of this because I have been in a long trade, as you can see right here. Now I have taken some profit off of this trade already. So if we take a look at the Visionary Discord again, we can see TP1 locked in right there and stop loss has been moved to entry, as you can see here, just to make it a completely risk-free trade. So we took some really nice profits on this trade, and I did actually go to take more profits as we were coming into this MPOC, but for some reason it closed the majority of the trade. I think I made a mistake there, but yeah, I didn't want to take this much profit off of the trade. I wanted to leave a little bit left in that trade, okay? Still have it open, but yeah, there's almost nothing in the trade at this moment in time. But yeah, very, very profitable long trade that I gave the team on the Visionary Discord. So if you want access to this Discord, click the first link in the description or the pinned comment. It will take you over to this page here where you can sign up for the subscription, or we do have the 1-day free trial. So make sure you take full advantage of that. No details are required at all. But yeah, I am long on the price of Bitcoin. But I have to understand that we are currently bearish, okay? As we can very clearly see, right? We have bearish market structure. So we have to, remain cautious within this long trade. And that's exactly why I have moved my stop loss to entry, making it a completely risk-free trade. On the short trades as well, my stop loss is at entry as well. So all of the trades that I am in right now are completely risk-free, okay? So it's impossible for me to turn these winning trades into losing trades. That's the aim of the game, right? Mitigate your risks as much as possible, and that is exactly what myself and the team here at Bit Trading have done. So what am I expecting from here? Because we are seeing a rise towards the upside, and like I was telling the team, if we scroll down, okay, like I was telling the team earlier today, I still like this rise as open interest is increasing with nice positive delta and nice volume. Okay, so this rise is nice. Okay, and I was telling the team up here actually, okay, now that's a good rise. Okay, so price is rising towards the upside, we're getting nice positive delta coming in, we're getting increased volume coming in, and price is rising. So this is initially a good rise towards the upside. So when I posted this in the Discord, price was at $62,500. Okay, and then after I said that, what happened? Price rose all the way up to this monthly MPOC. So if we take a look at the charts again, as you can see, we've rose up to the monthly MPOC. So this is the type of information you are getting in the Discord. As you can see, this is a good rise. I'm telling them that I like the rise towards the upside. And what happened after I posted that? Okay, we got a continuation towards the upside up to the target that I had at the NPOC, okay, the monthly MPOC. And this level here is actually a level that I'm interested in taking a short from. However, I have not entered into a short trade as of yet because, like I said to the team here, I still like the rise, okay? I still like this rise towards the upside. So if we take a look at the open interest and we take a look at the footprint, we can see the open interest is rising as price is rising, okay? We are getting some nice positive delta coming in with some nice volume increases, right? So initially, this rise towards the upside is good. I like this rise towards the upside, and I'm happy to actually target higher prices from here, okay? I'm happy to target higher prices. I'm not looking to short this MPO, this monthly MPOC at this moment in time, because for me, price just isn't looking bearish at this moment in time. Of course, yes, we could see a pullback from here, but I'm not seeing that weakness as of yet. If the weakness starts to creep in, then I will be looking to take a short trade. But because price is not showing any signs of weakness right now, I am just remaining long and chill on the price of Bitcoin and just riding that long trade higher. Okay, so of course we have our stop loss at entry on the short trade up here. So if we do come out and tap this, we will get stopped out of this trade, this short trade right here. Okay, now the short trade that I have down here, the stop loss is all the way up at pretty much all-time high. So yeah, that stop loss is pretty far away. But if we do continue to rise here, I will get stopped out of that short. But yeah, as you can see, I have already taken a lot of profit off of this short trade, so I'm not too worried at all. I've just left a little bit of capital in there just to see if I can squeeze a little bit more out of the trade, because I understand that we are in bearish market structure, right? So if we can start breaking this bearish market structure, i.e. we get above this POC right here, use it as support, and we can target higher prices there, right? This would, for me, be a break of bearish market structure. But we have to just remain a little bit cautious here, because we are coming into resistance, right? We have this monthly MPOC right here. We also have, from this local high to the low, we have a GP 786 level coming in. So there is some resistance here, right? And if we do see a rejection from here, then we have to understand, right, this is another lower high within Bitcoin, right? It's another lower high. And the expectation is that we come down and form another lower low. Okay, taking out this low right here, continuing this bearish market structure. So we have to be very, very cautious here. Again, this is why I've moved my stop loss to entry on the long, because I understand that the highest probability move for Bitcoin right now is that we get another move breaking this low here, okay, getting a clear break towards the downside of this range that we are trading within, and then actually targeting $51,700 at this POC right here, which is the POC from this previous range right here. As you can see, there's no support coming in right here. So if we do get a break of this low right here, then I am expecting price to just come down to $51,700, where from there, of course, right, we can look for a long trade down here. If price comes down here, we could look to long it if we see the bullish reaction, if we see the bullish confluence, and if we see that bullish confirmation that we want to see, then we could be looking for a long trade, okay? But for right now, I still sit in my bearish sentiment, right? I still have this bearish sentiment just because we're in this bearish market structure. I will, however, flip that bearish sentiment into more of a bullish sentiment if we can break this high right here, and I will continue to ride the long that I am in to higher prices, right? I am more than happy to do that. But until we do that, I am going to remain in this bearish sentiment. And as of right now, I am looking, okay, I am actively looking for a short trade. There are no short trade setups to be had as of yet, but things could change, right? Things could change. We could show some major signs of weakness here, and then I could look for that short trade to take it down to this low here and possibly even lower as well, because of course the target would be $51,700, okay? So yeah, right now is just sort of being patient, right? We've entered into the long down here. We've had a really nice rise towards the upside. We've taken profit off of the long trade. We've moved that stop loss to entry. It's a completely risk-free trade. So right now we have to remain patient. We are at a key level, so we need to just observe this level. If we get the bearish reaction, we can look for the short. If we don't, then we can target higher and look to ride this long trade possibly higher, maybe up to value area high, maybe even all-time high again. We'll have to see how the reaction is if we do get a break of this MPOC. But for me right now, remaining in my bearish sentiment until we break this high right here. Again, right, if we continue this bearish market structure, then we're looking for $51,700, where from there, that's a major level of support. We could bounce, look for a long trade, right? If we can't, then we're looking for $43,000 approximately all the way down here. So I don't want to get overly bearish, right? I don't want to get overly bearish, but I just want to give you the scenarios, right? Because these are the scenarios that I am aware of and I am prepared for, okay? I am very prepared for all of these. The team in the Discord are prepared for these as well, because I have been giving all of these short trades that I have been taking away, okay? And I have been favoring these short trades. Ever since we made that all-time high, I have been favoring the short trades, and it has worked out very, very well for me. As of right now, I'm in a long trade, yes, but I understand that price could form another lower low, a lower high, coming down to form another lower low, okay? So right now, again, remaining my bearish sentiment, and yeah, just waiting to see for any bullish confirmation or any bearish confirmation to either ride the long higher or look for a short trade. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I've got for you today. Just wanted to do a little update for you. So yeah, I will leave it there. That's me signing off. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you want access to the Visionary Discord, first link in the description or the pinned comment. It will take you over to this page right here, 1 day free trial as well. So yeah, take advantage of that. No details required there whatsoever. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, team, and see you later. Goodbye.